Good evening everyone. Welcome to Raj Technologies. In today's session, we are going to see this dating, that is loops, and we are going to see for loop. The syntax of for loop is we use a keyword for and we go with the initialization. We use a keyword for and we go with initialization. Then we check the condition, then expression, then we go with the set of statements like statement 1, statement 2, like that statement n. And same syntax rule, if no curly braces, then it considers only one statement. So for one statement, using curly braces is optional. As a simple example, to display the numbers from 1 to 10, we take the for loop, we use a keyword for, and we go with the initialization. So declare the variable I over here. Then you can say I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Then print the value of I. So you can say printf %t the value of I. See here, let me explain the flow. First it goes to I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 10, true. So if the condition is true, it will go and execute the statement. So it printf %t I means it's going to print 1. Now the control goes to expression I plus plus. I will become now 2. Comes and checks the condition here. 2 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. Again it's going to print 2. Again I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then again it's going to print 3. Like that 9. 9 plus plus 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then it's going to print 10. After 10 I plus plus 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. Then it's going to come out of loop. So when I value becomes more than 10, that is 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. False comes out of loop. So when you are having sequences like this, then it is suggested to go for loop. Let me take one more example. If you are writing like this, int I, then for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, I am ending here with semicolon. Now we will say again printf %t the value of I. Then, so what do you think the output of this code here? So many people will answer it as 1 to 10, but it's not the correct answer. Some people will say error because we have ended with semicolon. So it won't even go with error. Semicolon here indicates only this is our for loop. This statement does not belong to for loop. So when this statement gets executed, when you come out of loop. When we come out of loop, when the condition becomes false. So when condition becomes false, when I value becomes 11. 11 less than or equal to 10 false comes out and prints the I value. So what is the output of this code? It's going to print I value as 11 here. Now, let us see some example programs using for loop. Write a program to find the factorial of a given number. If you take the number as 5, I want to print 5 factorial. So what is that? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which goes with 120. So what is factorial? So multiplying from given number to 1 or 1 to given number will give the factorial. So here what type of operation we are doing? Multiplication. So for multiplication, take a variable, initialize the value to 1. If you initialize the value to 0, something multiplied by 0 is 0 only. So for multiplication operation, we have to initialize the value to 1. Now let us see the code. Factorial.c. Open developer C++. Create a new source file. #include stdio.h. The main function. Declare the variable n f equal to 1 and I variable. Now go with the message. Enter a number We'll say scanf, percentage t and n. Now take a for loop. Take a for loop which starts from given number I equal to n, I greater than or equal to 1. If the number is 5, 5 to 1. 5 to 1 means decrement. So we have to say I minus minus. Then apply the formula, simple, f equal to f into I. Now once we come out of for loop, just print the value of factorial, percentage t, the value of f. Let me elaborate this. So when we ask here entry number, we'll say 5, meaning n is 5, initial value of f is 1 here. Initial value of f is 1, n is 5. Now comes to for loop. I equal to n means I equal to 5. 5 greater than or equal to 1, yes. Then comes to statement, f equal to f into I. So f equal to f into I. So what is the value of f initially? 1. I value 5. So the value of f will become 5. Now the control goes to I minus minus. I is now 4. 4 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Again f equal to f into I. So which is 5 into 4, which is 20. Again I minus minus 3. 3 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Again f equal to f into I. So what is the value of f? 20. I is now 3. The value of f will become 60. Again I minus minus 2. 2 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Again f equal to f into I. So f is 60. I is now 2. The value is 120. Again I minus minus 1. 1 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Again f equal to f into I. So which is 120 into 1, which is 120. Again I minus minus 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1, false, comes out, prints the factorial f value. So it's going to print factorial equal to 120. That's it. Let me save this. Factorial.c. Compile and run. If you take the number as 5, it's going to print factorial as 120. Let us see one more example code. Let us go with one more. Write a program to display multiplication table for a given number. If we take the number as 5, we want to get the table like this. 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10, like that. 5 into 9 equal to 45, and 5 into 10 equal to 50. In this, what is this 5? Our given number. 5 is what here? Our given number. So let me consider this 5 as our given number, n. And 1 to 10 is what? It's a sequence. And we can manage this sequence using a for loop with variable I. And this 5, 10, 45, 50, this is our product. So what is the formula for our product? N into I will give the product. Let us write the code. M.Table.c. Create a new source file. Main function. Declare the variable n. Then I, comma, p. These are our variables. Now go with the message. Enter a number. We'll say scanf, percentage t, comma, and n. Now, for this number, display the table like this. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Now say p equal to n into I. Now print here. Printf, percentage t, So here printf percentage t into again percentage t equal to percentage t slash n, then print the value of n comma I comma p. That's it. Now see, let me elaborate. See, when we ask here enter a number, we'll say 5, means n is 5. Comes to for loop, I equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 10, yes. Comes to p equal to 5 into 1. So what is the value of p now? 5. So it's going to print first percentage t n value, which is 5. Then we kept star symbol in double quotes, so which is going to print as it is. Then percentage t, which is I value, which is 1. Then again equal to symbol. Then next percentage t is for p, so which is going to print 5. Now the control goes to I plus plus. I is now 2. 2 less than or equal to 10, yes. Then now p equal to 5 into 2. So how it's going to print? First 5, then percentage d means, start symbol, then I value 2, then equal to symbol, then p value 10. Like that it continues. 5 into 9 equal to 45. 5 into 10 equal to 50. After 10, I value becomes 11. 11 less than or equal to 10, false comes out. Let me save it and run. Now if you take the number as 5, it's going to print the table for 5. The next concept, break and continue. The use of break is used to come out of loop, and continue is used to continue the loop. Break is used to come out of loop, continue is used to continue the loop. Now, like example, if you take a while loop, while 1 indicates true, 1 means true, condition is true here. Or you can take some condition, whatever the condition it may be, take some condition. Now, here we go with some set of statements, then break, again some set of statements. So whenever the control sees break, it's going to come out of loop. Now, if you write like this, while condition, then we go with some set of statements, then continue, and some set of statements. Now, whenever the control says continue, it will go back to the condition. Break means it comes out of loop, continue means it will go back to condition. Now, let me elaborate this with an example. Refer program, break continue dot c. Create a new source file. Main function. Declare the, I'm taking one variable called as password. I'm taking some password like 245. Then I'll even enter the user entered password, my password. If my password and this is user password, if both are same, we'll say password is correct. Else the user has to enter password again. So we'll take here like this. While 1 indicates true. 1 means what? True. Condition is always true. 1 means true. This type of loops we call infinite loop. Infinite loop means the condition never becomes false. So when the condition never becomes false, there should be some way to come out of loop. That some way to come out of loop is break here. Now, inside the loop, go with the message printf, enter your password. We'll say scanf, %t and my password. Now we compare here. If the password and which is equal to user entered password not equal to, if it is not equal, then we'll go with the message printf enter password again. Enter password again and we'll say continue. So we are asking enter password again, continue. When we say continue, where the control goes? Again goes to this condition. If the password and user entered password is equal, then it will come out of this if condition. If it is correct, we'll go with the message password is correct. Password is correct. Okay. So once we say password is correct, so we user need not enter the password again. So we come out of loop using break. So if the password is not correct, we are saying continue to go back to condition again. If the password is correct means this if condition will be false, then we print what message? Password is correct. So once the password is correct, we don't want to continue to enter password again. So we come out of loop using break. Now see, break continue.c, compile and run. So we are entering password like 345. See here, enter password again. I'll say 567. Password again. Now we'll go with the correct one, 245. Now it is giving what message? See, password is correct. Right? So break is used to come out of loop. Continue will go back to the condition. Whenever we say it comes out of loop, continue means it will jump back to the condition. So when you are writing like this, a small note. When you are saying while 1 means condition is true. So at the beginning I said, in the case of C language, if the condition is true, it is going to return a value greater than 0. And we represent true as 1. False means 0. So when you say while 1, this we call infinite while do. If you write do with some statements, then while 1, this we call infinite do while do. If you take for, if I use simple semicolon, this we call infinite for, right? So this is the way to go with infinite loops, right? So please practice this, and next class will be on Monday, where we discuss about arrays. We are going to start off with arrays in the next class, Monday. Thank you all.